BAAM! That's another listing. I just talked to another agent here, $900,000 listing at 6.5% commission. If you've been following for a while, you know we're generating a lot of leads. I shouldn't say we're generating leads. The agents are doing it themselves. I simply showed them how to do it. That particular agent just took her 5th listing in the last 7 days. This is not uncommon, and this is not an anomaly. We just talked to another agent the other day up in Minnesota, listing homes like crazy, utilizing that Facebook lead ads approach. Let me ask you, why are you on Facebook and not making a fortune on it as a real estate agent? There's certainly nothing that you need to do socially. No reason to do any social marketing. You don't need to do that. Very simple ads put in front of the right quality people using those lead ads that we've talked so much about. I did a whole training, a whole preview on this. If you go to luthercall.com, we just put a new link up there today, as a matter of fact. So you'll see that the link actually works and everything's in there to show you one of the best ads that we're running right now. Here's my recommendation for you. Run the freaking ad. Like, don't give me any money. Don't give anybody any money. Run the ad. Spend $5 on it. Watch what happens. It is unbelievable the amount of revenue being generated by the agents that have been through our entire Facebook training. They now understand how it works, why it works, and exactly what to do every day to generate the kind of money they're looking for. Just get more closings every month. So I'd highly recommend you check that out. Again, you can get some more details on it at luthercall.com. But let me ask you, what are you doing each and every day to generate revenue for yourself? Do you have a constant flow of new business coming in? I just did a group coaching call with a lot of our inner circle members here today. And one of the topics that I talked about was, you know, all these agents that talk about how proud they are that most of their business comes from past clients and referrals. That means you don't have a business. It means the only business you're going to get is from people that know you, that have done business with you in the past, but you have no predictability in your business. You certainly don't have consistency, and you're absolutely starving to death. There's nobody that earns a tremendous living enough to build a retirement for yourself from past clients and referrals. It just does not exist. So you've got to fight with obscurity to make sure you're not obscure in the market. These buyers and sellers know who you are. That comes from predictive advertising, where we know predictably we're going to get X number of deals on a consistent basis. If you saw the other video we did, one of our other agents generated 72 leads in 9 days. Now, in all fairness, 90% of those people won't work with him. But if he's doing what he's supposed to, 10% will. And out of 72 leads, sounds like 7 closings to me. You got to do what it takes to get those deals closed. I teach all of that inside our system. You'll get a little preview on that at luthercall.com. I should tell you there is a pitch there as well. So we'll spend about 15 minutes showing you how to do all this stuff, and maybe 3 minutes talking about we can help you a little more if you want. But I think you'll find it tremendously valuable. But as I look at my email here every single day, and I'm seeing real estate agents listing properties, working with buyers. Some people just want to work on the buy side. I always recommend working with the higher end clients, buyers or sellers. Work that luxury market, or at least raise your average price range. I think you'll find that if you'll do that, your finances look a hell of a lot better. I've always said you don't have a problem with expenses, you have a problem with income. You actually need to focus on your top line. So many agents are focused on their middle line. They're trying to reduce their expenses, go to another brokerage because it's cheaper. Like, what are you talking? Make $1 million. None of that crap matters anymore. So it's important for you to focus on that top line revenue. If you increase your income, you don't care what your expenses are. Let's go crazy. How much would it cost you to have 3 Mercedes in your driveway for no other reason than you can? How much is that? $3,000 a month? If you fix your business, you don't have a problem. If you're generating enough leads and getting on qualified appointments, qualified buyers and sellers that are willing to meet with you, and you have a good presentation, you win every single time. Now, do me a favor, don't go out and buy 3 Mercedes. Put that money away. You've got to retire sometime. You got to buy all your debts down to 0 so that you can start socking money away. But you've got to get to 0 first. That's going to happen from creating a better business model for yourself. You can learn some more about it at luthercall.com. Hopefully you're having a profitable day today. I know we are over here, and every time I check my email, I'm getting new emails from agents utilizing our systems, making lots of money. We had a group call today, a very good group call today from agents that are doing extremely well in generating that business. I want you to be one of them as well. If there's something I can help you with, as always, reach out to me here. I'm here to help you. Email me, Facebook me, YouTube me, whatever you got to do. Let's chat. I'd love to help you in growing your business. But let me tell you, if you're fighting with obscurity, you're going to be in bad shape. If you think your business should come from past clients and referrals, that worked 20 years ago. Hell, they'd rather listen to Yelp than to listen to their friend's referral these days. They'd rather hear from 2,200 strangers' opinions than from their best friend's opinion. You got to get in on lead generation in today's marketplace. Go out there and make some money today. We'll talk soon. I'm Greg Luther, and hopefully this has been helpful for you. We'll talk later. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.